today I'm gonna be playing the not hard demon, easy demon, the lightning rod. I was about to say rod, but it's fine. Let's go. Bam. This is easy. Come on, come on. I'm gonna try and beat the lightning rod. I beat my first extreme demon. That's crazy, but no. I beat my first demon. It's an easy demon. The nightmare. I beat the nightmare. I'm trying to get a second easy demon, and it's gonna be lightning road. I already posted another video about the lightning. Oh my god, I died. About the lightning road. Trying to beat it. And this is part 2 of that. So now I'm gonna beat it. Come on. Come on. Come on, bro. Why is this actually hard? I got it. I don't think the lightning road is probably easier than the nightmare. Is it easier than the nightmare? Wait, hold on. I died at 68. Where's 68? I think I can beat 68. I think this is gonna be the run that I beat 68. Come on. This one has to be the run. Oh! That part gets me so much. Die because of it. It's the only part that's actually hard. The rest is actually pretty easy. But the others, that part is actually kind of hard almost. I felt like I was almost about to die. The rest of the level is really easy. No, I mean this part of the level is really easy. But when it gets to that part, it gets hard. But I kind of forgot what the other level is. I think there's some like I know one part of it. Oh my god. Oh, I can't get that, like for real. It's getting me mad that I can't get that, bro. Like serious, I can't get it, bro. Like seriously, I can't get it. Okay, nice. Let's go. Oh my god. Why is the lightning road so hard to me? It's not hard. It's just that part that I can't get. The rest, I think I could get. Maybe not another part on this level. But the rest, I think I got it. And the part's coming up. Whoa, wait, how did I die? Did I not click the orb? I don't think I clicked the orb. Or I bounced on the bounce pad and you're not supposed to do that. Probably bounced on the bounce pad and it made me not click the orb, so yeah, that's probably how I died. Come on. Good. And also, I'm also trying to verify a level called the Tester. It's my level that I built. And it's basically all the levels, all the game modes, and there's I don't know how to explain it, but I'm going to show you at the end of the video. Oh, I'm terrible, bro. I'm actually terrible. I'm actually so bad, like really bad. Come on, why can't I actually beat this, bro? Being for real. And also, guys, here's what I got. Because my brother used to have a Xbox, yeah. And guess what? He gave it to me. The reason that I couldn't play it right away was because there was one part of the Xbox that oh my god, wait, hold on. Oh my god. So there was one part of the Xbox, a part of the Xbox that didn't work. We need to buy a new one. There's a part that can actually show the screen. So oh my god, I can't talk. But we bought a new one yesterday, and then I plugged it in and it started working. So I might, if my thing changes, how I make videos like this, it's probably because I'm making a video on my Xbox. I might do that actually. Whoa, I'm dying to death. Should I do that? Should I record? But the thing is about my Xbox is that it does not have Geometry Dash. It doesn't have Geometry Dash. Only my thing that I'm recording on right now has Geometry Dash, but my Xbox, the only thing it has, I have Roblox and Roblox, but Geometry Dash is inside of Roblox. They made a Geometry Dash in Roblox. So I'm probably gonna make a video on rating the Geometry Dash Roblox knockoffs, and it's gonna be recorded on probably on my Xbox. So I'm gonna have this as a camera to record my thing I'm playing on right now. I'm gonna have it record and then I just play. Yeah. I'm just giving you a sneak peek. Not a sneak peek, but I'm just telling you what I might do. Okay? Oh god. Wait, I'm actually fast up. Whoa, we're getting close. We're getting close. Come on. Come on. That's really hard. Cannot beat this, bro. Dun. Come on. Whoa. Wait, hold on. Did I say already gonna give you a sneak peek on Tester? If I didn't say that, I'm saying it now. If I did say it, I'm saying it again, just to be sure. Just in case. Hold on, guys. I gotta do something real quick.
That if the rest of the level is decently easy, and then one segment is super difficult.
What was that? What was that? Oh my god. Just to know that. You did not hear anything. What in the world? How did I just do that? No! But how did I just do that? Bro, I'm insane. How did I do that? Wait, how did I actually do that, bro? I broke the level. Bro, I can go as that part as ship. Bro, how is that even possible? Bro, I glitched the level. I couldn't be ship, bro. That's crazy. I never knew that. You could be a ship in that part. It's crazy. I just glitched the level. Come on. Can I glitch it again? No! I was supposed to jump over there. How did I even do that? How did I do that? That was actually crazy, bro. Probably gonna. Oh my god. Probably gonna post a video today. Not this video. No, I am gonna post today, but another video is gonna come out today. And I said it in this video. So yeah. I said it was the Geometry Dash thing where it's gonna be recorded on my Xbox. Geometry Dash knockoffs on Roblox. Yep. Probably gonna post that today. But not like right after this video. Probably gonna play on my Xbox after this. I wish my Xbox has Geometry Dash. The only Geometry Dash I have was on Geometry Dash. Damn it. Geometry Dash on Roblox. But that's knockoff, bro. I played it, but I want to get like a monitor. Oh my god, a monitor. My brother has that right now. I'll probably get one soon. A monitor. Not like really soon, but like someday I'm gonna get a monitor. And I'm probably gonna record on there. Because you can get Geometry Dash on PC or monitor. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna record on that when I get it. But right now, well, I was trying to go for the sneaky way so I don't get. Oh my god, I felt like I almost died. I'm almost gonna die. Oh my god. I was gonna say something, but then I forgot it. Okay, I'm getting close, I'm getting close. Oh, come on. I can actually just skip the ball part, bro, and just become ship. No, we won though. I thought I was about to just. For me, the only thing I saw was just my cube just jumping over the portal, but then it just came out ball. What? I don't know. Bro! Was that a black orb? What orb was that? That had to be a black orb. That just launched me up. But wait, is there any black orbs at that part? I don't think there's any black orbs on that part. How did I do that? I just went straight up. Not straight up, but like, shoot. Oh my god. Nice. Come on, bro. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, just skip it. Oh, come on. This is probably going to be my last attempt, since I really just want to play on my Xbox. I really wish I could have like my app that I record on, but on Xbox. But I don't have it. So when I get a PC or a monitor, the right monitor for Geometry Dash, I'm probably gonna record on there, and it'll get a lot better. Okay, we're getting to the part. You can skip it. Oh. Bam, 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 bam. Snish, 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 dun, 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 dun. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Bam, bam, bam. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh my god. Help. Just jump to it. Come on. Bam, 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 dun, 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 dun. I'm probably not gonna get a new best. Come on, just give me a new best. No! How did I just die there? No. I'm getting a new best. Come on, I need to get a new best. The part that, and the other part that I think it's memory. I think. Memory on this level. I'm not like... It's still sight readable, but memory, basically. Still sight readable, but and that's why I don't know. The part that the other part I might die too. Toto, bro, Toto. This is my last attempt. If I don't get a new best. If I don't get a new best. This is actually my last attempt. Alright. Peace. I'm out. And also, make sure to like and subscribe. And also, oh my god. But, and last thing, before you guys go, is here is the tester.